Hi, welcome back to another episode of Spot the Knot. I hope you had fun in the last one. First of all, I want to thank everyone who participated, not only in YouTube, but in other external sites such as Facebook. It was very interesting to read all of the analysis that you've provided with your answers. And now for the moment that you've all been waiting for. I want to say well done to all of you who have guessed correctly. The answer is cup A. Here are the correct answers that I've received. Fifth function gave a particularly well-written analysis mentioning that the reflections for cup A is missing on the wall. This is true because the wall is made of reflective tiles and I did not render a reflection pass for it. Well spotted. Here's a breakdown of how the scene was made. The video was recorded on my phone, which I then used to track in Blender. Next, I started modeling parts of the scene to match the objects in the footage. The two cups next to the CG cup is especially important as I needed to use it to cast accurate reflections onto my cup. Once the lighting and materials were finalized, the cup was rendered together with the front part of the hook. Finally, color correction, shadows, motion blur, and grains were added in compositing. For this episode, I've put together a little scene with an assortment of wooden blocks. All of them are real, except for one. Can you spot the knot? I've also made it easier for you this time around by narrowing down the options to only 5. Please leave your answer in the comments, along with a short analysis of how you've arrived at that conclusion. And I will feature the correct answers in the next episode, together with the breakdown of how I made the scene. Of course, there will also be a new scene for you to spot the knot. So please subscribe if you want to get notified for when the next episode is uploaded. Thank you for watching, keep it real, I'll see you again in the next episode.